Crash Course, Colombian Cuisine. Colombian cuisine is as diverse and vibrant as the country itself. Influenced by indigenous, European, African, and Middle Eastern flavors, Colombian dishes are known for their rich and hearty flavors. From the coastal regions to the mountains and the Amazon rainforest, each region has its own culinary specialties that reflect the local ingredients and cultural traditions. In this crash course, we will explore the delicious world of Colombian cuisine, tantalizing your taste buds with stories, examples, and a list of popular Colombian dishes. Interesting stories and examples. 1. Ajiaco, the soup of Bogotá. Ajiaco is a hearty and iconic soup from the capital city, Bogotá. It is made with chicken, multiple varieties of potatoes, corn, capers, avocado, and a unique herb called guascas. The story behind this soup dates back to the pre-Columbian era when it was prepared by the indigenous Muisca people. Today, Ajiaco is considered a national dish and is enjoyed by Colombians and visitors alike, especially during cold and rainy days. 2. Bandeja Paisa, a feast on a plate. Bandeja Paisa is a famous dish from the region of Antioquia, known for its generous portions and variety of ingredients. It typically includes grilled steak, pork rinds, chorizo, red beans, rice, fried egg, plantains, avocado, and arepa, a cornmeal cake. This hearty dish originated from the need to provide energy to laborers working in the coffee plantations. Today, Bandeja Paisa is a symbol of Colombian hospitality and is enjoyed on special occasions or as a satisfying meal. 3. Arepas, a staple of Colombian cuisine. Arepas are a versatile and popular food item in Colombia. These round, corn-based patties can be grilled, baked, or fried and are often stuffed with various fillings like cheese, meat, eggs, or avocado. Arepas have been a staple of indigenous diets for centuries and are now a beloved part of Colombian cuisine. They can be enjoyed as a breakfast item, a snack, or as a side dish with meals. 4. Sancocho, comfort in a bowl. Sancocho is a traditional Colombian stew that varies from region to region. It is typically made with a variety of meats such as chicken, beef, or pork, along with a medley of vegetables like plantains, yuca, cassava, potatoes, and corn. Sancocho is often served with a side of white rice and avocado. This hearty and flavorful stew is considered a comfort food, perfect for bringing people together and warming the soul. 5. Empanadas, a portable delight. Empanadas are a popular street food in Colombia. These savory turnovers are made with a corn or wheat dough and are filled with various ingredients such as beef, chicken, cheese, or vegetables. Empanadas can be found in different sizes and shapes across the country. They are a delicious on-the-go snack or a tasty addition to any meal. Top 12 Colombian dishes. 1. Ajiaco, a hearty chicken and potato soup from Bogotá. 2. Bandeja Paisa, a platter of grilled meats, beans, rice, and more. 3. Arepas, cornmeal patties stuffed with various fillings. 4. Sancocho, a flavorful meat and vegetable stew. 5. Empanadas, savory turnovers filled with a variety of ingredients. 6. Lechona, a whole roasted pig stuffed with rice and spices. 7. Tamales, steamed corn dough filled with meat, wrapped in banana leaves. 8. Patacones, fried green. Plantain slices served as a side dish or snack. 9. Bocadillo con queso, a sweet guava paste served with cheese. 10. Changua, a milk and egg soup flavored with scallions. 11. Frijoles antioqueños, Antioquia-style beans cooked with pork and seasonings. 12. Cazuela de mariscos, a seafood casserole with coconut milk and spices. Summarizing Colombian cuisine. Colombian cuisine is a vibrant blend of flavors, influenced by the country's diverse cultural heritage. From the hearty Ajiaco soup to the indulgent Bandeja Paisa, each dish tells a story and offers a unique culinary experience. Whether you're exploring the bustling streets of Bogotá or relaxing on the Caribbean coast, Colombian cuisine will surely delight your taste buds with its rich and diverse flavors. Poem: Flavors of Colombia. In the land of vibrant colors and tastes. Colombia's cuisine, a culinary embrace. From the Andean mountains to the coast so wide. A journey of flavors, taking us on a ride. From Bogotá's Ajiaco, warming the soul. To Medellin's Bandeja Paisa, a feast to behold. Arepas, empanadas, and sancocho so grand. Colombian dishes, made with love and hand. The aroma of coffee fills the air, as beans are roasted with utmost care. A sip of tinto, a moment of bliss. Colombian coffee, impossible to resist. From street vendors with their sizzling wares to family kitchens, where love is shared. Colombian cuisine, a taste of home, where memories and flavors forever roam. Song, Flavors of Colombia. Verse 1. In the land of salsa and rhythm so alive, Colombia's cuisine, a delicious dive. From the mountains to the Caribbean shore, a tapestry of flavors, calling for more. Chorus. Flavors of Colombia, a culinary delight. From Ajiaco to Bandeja Paisa, it's love at first bite. Arepa, empanada, and sancocho too. Colombian cuisine, we're falling for you. Verse 2. From the coffee fields, where beans are grown, to street vendors with secrets unknown. Spices and herbs, a symphony of taste. Colombian dishes, a journey to embrace. Bridge. In every bite, a story unfolds. Generations of tradition, a legacy untold. From the family table to the world's delight. Colombian cuisine, a shining light. Chorus. Flavors of Colombia, a culinary delight. From Ajiaco to Bandeja Paisa, it's love at first bite. Arepa, empanada, and sancocho too. Colombian cuisine, we're falling for you. Outro. So come and taste the flavors divine. In Colombia's kitchens, where treasures align. From the mountains to the coast so wide. Colombian cuisine, a journey to confide. Asterisk 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 start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.